If you're serious about scaling your email marketing, automation is essential. It helps you save time, stay consistent, and deliver the right message to the right person at the right time. After testing dozens of tools, here are my top 5 email automation platforms. At number 5 is Benchmark Email. It's clean, easy to use, and includes drag and drop automation builders, even on lower tier plans. It's great for businesses just getting started with automation, but still want professional looking results. Number 4 is Drip. Designed for e-commerce businesses, Drip focuses on behavior-based automation and deep integrations with platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. If you want personalized, revenue-driven email flows, Drip is a top choice. At number 3 is ActiveCampaign. It offers one of the most advanced automation builders on the market. You can build complex customer journeys with ease, from welcome series to sales funnels, and it also includes built-in CRM and lead scoring. Coming in at number 2 is Klaviyo, a favorite among e-commerce brands. Klaviyo gives you powerful segmentation, pre-built flows, and deep data integration with your store. You can automate everything from abandoned cart emails to post-purchase thank yous, and the number one email automation platform, MailChimp. It's beginner-friendly but powerful, with customer journeys, predictive segmentation, and automation templates. MailChimp scales with you. It's perfect whether you're running newsletters, promotions, or multi-step sequences. Whether you're nurturing leads, re-engaging inactive users, or boosting retention, these automation platforms help you turn your email list into real business results.